So I want to show you how to compute the standard deviation using Microsoft Excel. I'm also going to show you how to compute the average using Microsoft Excel. As you can see on the right, I have the numbers I want to compute the standard deviation from. So those are the numbers listed. And so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to type those in each individual cell, the numbers that are listed on the right in Excel. So I'm ready to compute them. So once I'm done computing them, I'm going to maximize my window here. The next thing I'm going to go is click on formulas. So I click on formulas, and then I'm just going to type in, just to make it easily recognizable, I'm going to just type in the word, the term standard deviation, so you can easily identify it. Okay, then I just make the cell wider. I'm going to click on insert formula. I'm going to type in the text box STDEV, standard deviation, short for standard deviation, STDEV. There's going to be a number of choices. Make sure you select STDEV.S. S stands for sample. STDEV.S. I click OK, and then click on the up arrow, select the numbers right there, all the numbers, and then press enter, click OK. You should have the standard deviation sample, the sample, the sample standard deviation. Okay, so I'm going to now type in mean or the average. I'm going to now compute the average of these numbers. So I'm just going to click the cell next to that, insert function. In Excel, it identifies it as average. Click OK. I'm just going to click on the up arrow so I can select the numbers. Make sure you select all numbers that are going to be part of the calculation. Click OK, and it computes the average. So hopefully you find this video helpful on how to use Excel to compute the standard deviation, sample standard deviation, and also the mean average.